What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 21,670, up 1.6 on the day, seeing a market cap of 413 billion. 24-hour volume 32.81 billion. Let's hop into the chart. It's gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So potentially what we're looking at is an ABC, completion of a wave 2. That's the bullish scenario. And now we've completed the 5-wave move to complete the C wave. Now, potentially what we could be looking at is that this is a wave 4 pullback, where we basically come down in a wave 1, wave 2. This is your wave 3. This is a wave 4 pullback, and we still see a lower low. That's potentially still can happen here. We are just consolidating. Relative strength is coming back, but if the RSI does push all the way up to the top section, could push the price back down. But we are creating a pretty strong level of support here, and if we were to break out of this if I pop over to the 4 hour time frame, let's see what we're looking at on the 4 hour. Yeah, so basically you have like some sort of ascending triangle, double bottom pattern, a little something like this. Could pull this out as well. So if we do break out to the upside here, could see a nice push for Bitcoin all the way up to about 22.4k. Just be very, very careful, because what we might see here is a little bit of a relief bounce and then continuation to the downside. The really bullish scenario is that we push all the way up into wave 3 to take you up to about 27.9k. If we look at our next chart here, I was looking at a potential start of a 5-wave move to the downside, which would complete a wave 5, as I think this is a wave 3 pullback. So what we've done here is we've come down in a wave 1. We had a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4. Potentially we could have already completed a 5-wave move, but we could still put in a wave 5, and then what you would see is a wave 2 pullback and continuation to the downside. If that does take place, I will give you a target zone for a wave 2. It can retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but usually it's going to land in between the 0.5 to the 0.786, which is currently coming in at 22.8 and 24.1 with a minimum target of 22.3k. So do watch for that. If we pop up into that zone, we get rejected, that's when we could come down for a larger wave 3 to the downside. I'm just going to move everything over here, as I do think that this is a relief rally and there will be one more wave down, but I could be wrong. If we do push up and we break this high, we can still be going through a wave 4 pullback. That'd be quite more confirmation for the bullish scenario, as many coins would be showing that a bottom is in, like Ethereum and Matic, if we were to push all the way up in that wave 3, all the way up to about 27k. Now if we look at the DXY, we're currently seeing rejection off the 1.414, and we have a potential double top. I don't know if we'll fulfill this double top or we'll just see a rejection and then see continuation. But every time we've been this high on the RSI, the last little while, we've seen a rejection. Right here, we got rejected. Right here on the RSI, we got rejected. Right here, pushed up a little bit higher, and then we got rejected. So once again, we've come up to that same level on the RSI, and we're starting to see a rejection. But if we simply just come down, we bounce, and we push to the upside, that's when you see Bitcoin continue to fall. If this double top were to play out, then we could see a huge pump to the upside for BTC. And it could take the DXY all the way back down to 100, which is a strong level of support here. As you can see, we had quite a bit of support in that area. We do have basically a bearish divergence, created an equal high, and we've created a significantly lower high on the RSI, so that could be a sign of weakness for the DXY, which of course is bullish for BTC. So we'll see what happens. If we start to break out of this ascending triangle, we can push up here to about 22.4k. Just watch for a potential wave 2 pullback, but if we do continue to fall here, then we're still looking to complete the 5-wave move within the C wave. But it will invalidate a wave 2 pullback, which is relatively bearish in my opinion, and we'd have to look at a potential a different wave count, some sort of 1-2-1-2 setup. All right, guys, that's basically it for BTC. Big shout out to the Discord, where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, as well as my analysis. Coming in at the $10 membership for my spot trades, for my leverage trades, you can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.